DIY Jules here with Trick My Trailer updates. We've come a long way since 2018. We've put in laminate floors. We've got a really nice open floor plan on this place. We added this bay window and updated a couple appliances. Put in that air conditioner. It used to be a window. Alright. Open kitchen, painted the fridge, saved quite a bit of money there. Did get a new stove. Pretty much left the kitchen as is. Now these upper light panels, I will be making custom art glass for all of those. And then just to give you the view back this way. Love this flooring. Alright, then we have the hallway. Master closet critter room. Laundry's behind here. This place only has one door. Interior door, I should say. This is the bedroom. Fun ceiling fan. It's safe because these ceilings are so low and we're really tall people. So, you know, plenty of room. Nice big closet all along the back. And then we enter the bathroom. Hand-painted tiles for the ceiling. Completely redid the whole vanity area. Added that sink. Countertop. Custom mirror. Right over here, that used to be a shower. It's now our linen closet with a nice antique wardrobe there. And then the garden tub is now a combo garden tub shower area. And it's a very spacious bathroom, actually, surprisingly enough. So that's basically, we did this flooring throughout the entire place. And it basically wraps up most of the interior work. We just have a few finishing touches. Mostly, you know, hanging artwork like on that back wall. I'm not sure if we're going to put a Franklin stove in or not, but if you like this, please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the exterior tour.